Okay, so creating a new account is very easy to do. You just need to go to portal2.ozhosting.com, click on the register here button. This will take you through to another screen where we need to populate some information. So we'll just click I am a customer, name, and information, phone number, password. We can just generate one. The name of the company. Select the country and the state. Click I accept, and then register. This will just go through some background checks on the back end, and then you will be sent a verification email, which you need to verify your user, which will look like this. All you need to do is activate your account, and then your eShop will then be accessible.